In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google Merchant Center account suspension. We'll also explore why these suspensions happen in the first place. Understanding this can save you time and hassle in the future, ensuring your online business stays in great standing with Google. Let's start by understanding why Google may suspend accounts. Google does this to maintain a safe and trustworthy shopping environment for users. These suspensions often result from certain common issues. The first one is misleading business or product information. This includes inaccurate product details, fake or exaggerated discounts, hidden fees at checkout, or any business info that doesn't match across your site and Google listings. Google expects transparency, so ensure everything from your product details to your business name is consistent and truthful. Next, having a missing or vague return policy can spark concerns. Customers should always be able to easily find and understand your return or refund policies. If this information is absent, unclear, or buried away, it raises a red flag. Transparency, again, is key. Another reason for suspension is missing contact information. Users need to know how to reach you, which means listing a physical address, phone number, or email on your site is essential. Contact information that is fake or unreachable severely undermines user trust. Then there's the matter of website experience. If you have broken links or pages, a site that isn't mobile friendly, or an unsecured site lacking HTTPS, you're likely providing a poor experience. Google wants its users to feel safe and have smooth interactions on your website. Additionally, any checkout process that doesn't function properly is a big issue. Policy violations are another major cause of suspensions, such as selling banned or restricted products like weapons or counterfeit items. It's crucial to ensure your product prices and availability match what's listed on your website. Incomplete site functionality, especially during checkout, is a major no-go. Once you've identified why your account was suspended, the key is to address all these issues. Make the necessary fixes and double-check every aspect to ensure compliance. After resolving these problems, you'll want to head over to Account Issues. Navigate to Products, then select Needs Attention. Now, you might see an option to click on I disagree with the issue. Before you submit a review request, take this opportunity to explain clearly why the issue should not apply to you. Being honest and specific is crucial here. Detail the changes you've made and how your site is now compliant with Google's policies. Submitting this explanation with your request shows that you've taken their feedback seriously and worked hard to rectify the situation. It's a vigilant approach when dealing with account suspensions and ensures your online presence remains strong and trustworthy. That's it for today's guide on tackling Google Merchant Center suspensions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your business get back on track swiftly and smoothly.